So on the weekend, Jack went to Seacon Square with his family. They went there by car. They ate lunch at KFC. The chicken was delicious. Next, they went to SE Ed because Jack wanted to buy some books. He bought 3 novels and 1 dictionary. They were expensive. In the afternoon, they went to watch Harry Potter. It was fun. Jack said he wanted to watch it again. They went home at 6 o'clock. Let's take a look at the first question. And I'm going to ask Antonella this one. Hello, Antonella, how you doing? And can you please help me with this one? How many books did Jack buy?
Jack bought 3 novels and 1 dictionary.
Holy cow, that's fantastic, Antonella. What a fantastic answer.
Thank you.
Wow. Antonella said a fantastic, perfect answer. She said he bought 3 novels and 1 dictionary. He bought 4 books. Good job, Antonella. Good job.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're very welcome. Fantastic. All right. I am going to go now to Dario. Dario, how did Jack go to Seacon Square? How did Jack go to Seacon Square?
He went by a car.
That's right. That's right. Good job. He went by car. That's correct. Thank you, Dario. Thank you for your help.
Yes.
All right. My next question here is going to be for Daisy. Daisy, what time did they go home? What time did they go home?
They went home at 6 o'clock.
Good job. Good job. Good job, Daisy. Went home at 6 o'clock. It's correct. My next question is for Griselda. Griselda, can you tell me what was expensive? What was expensive?
They were expensive.
Yeah, what was expensive?
I know.
You don't see it? No, come.
Help me.
Sure. The answer is they were expensive. But when we say they, nos estamos refiriendo a the books. The books were expensive. The books were expensive. All right. All right. Let's go. No. Thank you for trying, Griselda. Let's go now to Kesia. Kesia, can you help me with this one? Did Jack enjoy watching the movie? Did Jack enjoy watching the movie? Now, let me remind you, les recuerdo, cuando hacemos una pregunta que empiece con un verbo to be, un auxiliar de do, does, or en este caso did, sabemos que es una respuesta corta de sí o no. So, did Jack watch the movie? You're going to say, yes, he did, or no, he didn't. What do you say there, Kesia? Did Jack enjoy watching the movie?
Yes, he did.
Good job, Kesia. Right, fantastic. All right. My next question here is going to be for Ruth. Ruth, what did Jack want to buy? What did Jack want to buy?
Ay, teacher, déjeme ver.
Sure.
Se vale, ¿verdad? Dame un segundo.
Sure, take your time, Ruth. I'm here for you. You're here for me. We're all
Vamos
here
a ver,
for you.
yo voy a tirar a pegar a ver si esta sería he wanted, no.
Yes, he wanted
to buy. No, he wanted to buy 1 dictionary. ¿Será esa?
Okay, very close, Ruth. Very close. You said he wanted to buy 1 dictionary, but he wanted to buy some books. He wanted to buy some books.
Pues la dije más, teacher.
No, pues dijo que quería comprar un libro, quería comprar algunos. Y aquí en esta frase aquí dice, Jack wanted to buy some books. So more than 1. Puede ser que quería comprar más de uno. But you're very, very close there, Ruth. Don't worry about it. All right, my next question here is going to be for Jessica. Jessica, what did he eat for lunch? What did Jack eat for lunch?
The chicken lunch.
Yes, he ate KFC. He ate chicken. That's correct, Jessica. He ate chicken is correct. All right, good job. Good job. You guys doing great.